Have you ever watched a Scratch game and you were like, because there was a custom score counter? Well, that's what I'm going to be teaching you how to make in today's video. First, what you need is this, obviously. And you're going to need two variables. Index variable for this sprite only, and you're going to need a score variable for all sprites. Now, when the sprite clicked, change your score variable right here by 1. Now we're going to create a new sprite. Let's call it numbers. And inside this numbers variable, we're going to have something named glow. Then we're going to duplicate this and name it glow1. Now inside of that glow1, we're going to create a new text, and we're going to rename this to 0, actually, my bad. And then we're going to create a new text called 0, and we're going to size that text up so we can actually see it. Not that big, okay, but that's not all. We need around 9 more of these, so you have to make 9 more of these. And then keep increasing the number as it goes. So glow1, and then change this to 1, and keep doing it as follows. Okay, now that we've done that, we want to do a when green flag clicked. Go to 0, 0. So it will be positioned right here. And now we're going to add a hide block. Set index to 1. In our index, we have to delete it inside the scratch cat since it wasn't supposed to be made in there. We're going to put a new variable inside our numbers called, for this sprite only, index. Set index to 1. Then we're going to repeat 10 times. Create clone of myself. Change x by size divided by 2. So size, and then divided by 2. Going to change our index by 1. We're going to add a when I start as clone show. Then we're going to add a forever block. We're going to add a switch costume to. Then we're going to add a join. I'm going to add a glow because that's the beginning of our name of our costume, glow. And then we're going to add a letter index of score. Now if we press the flag and then press play, when we tap this, we can see we have a custom score counter. Now if we hide all these variables, we can see that it still works. And guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.